YouTube Wagwan, man? You're tuning in to Click React, and today we're bringing an episode of Shits and Gigs, and we're reacting to the title called Funniest Tweets of the Week, man. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on the post notification, drop a like, and let me know which one of these tweets is the funniest one to you, man. We're just gonna get right into the video. I will see you guys later.
Can't lie, asking women to contribute to the table is a shamelessness I do not possess.
100%. I don't really. Yeah, I don't really agree. I wouldn't. I don't think it's shame. I just wouldn't do it myself.
Quote tweet: masculinity is too toxic for all of that. I'd rather liquidate all my assets.
Yeah, you stupid. I ain't going that far.
Yeah. It's a brer that said the whole thing.
Yeah, the brer. Yeah.
Bro, I'd rather liquidate all my assets than ask a chick to contribute to this table. I can see that.
I can see it, bro.
It's too
I
far.
can see
You know
it.
what it was as well? When you first were speaking, I don't know why, but when you said table, and I thought restaurant.
Oh, okay.
The more you spoke, I realized club, and I was like, "Oh, I'm never,
Oh, hell
never,
yeah.
ever."
That's
asking
worse.
for a
Yeah,
girl
that's
to
worse. The
contribute
club,
money for this
the
club
bottle,
table.
no.
No
way.
way.
Yeah, that's
I would also
that one's
rather
worse.
liquidate-
my assets.
Yeah, and it's not even for her.
Yeah.
Fuck her.
Yeah,
For
yeah,
you.
Still,
yeah.
no, I can't.
The streets
let-
can never know.
You-
I've asked a yak
Yeah.
to contribute to the table.
Hundred.
I brought her to. This is a tweet and a reply.
Yeah.
Do guys ever say no? I'm sorry, I have a girlfriend. Reply: if someone offers you money, you say no. I have a salary.
Oh, you guys are so stupid. I mean, that's facts though, but still, that's funny.
Bro, facts. At the end of the day, facts.
More,
Like, what
more
are we
money,
doing?
more money.
Facts.
What are we actually doing, bro? Oh, that's funny.
I'm so glad the music in the club be loud because I'll be farting and shit.
What?
That's disgusting.
You're
bro.
gross, brother.
Fam, I promise you now, there's not a single thing
That's
worse
gross
than
as fuck.
smelling pop in a club.
Oh, it's just musty.
That
You
is
and
so
you don't have a
gross.
clue who the
Because
culprit is.
it hits you
It's
so hard.
so warm and humid, bro.
Honestly,
And
I don't remember having that experience, and thank God I don't.
Everyone
in the vicinity.
Everyone.
You fucking hate everyone, and then you look at a painting, and then you're like, if it came from you, I swear to God, I'm gonna start throwing out.
Because it hits you as if it was targeted for you.
Oh,
It
1,000,000%.
stinks in
It
a club.
stinks, and everyone, you're looking at them, and
They're looking at you.
and you're like, "Fuck you! That's not me." And then you have to be the guy that's like,
The fuck is that?
"Nah, his body's hot."
Or if you don't
His
look
body's
like
hot.
yo,
His body's
you're
hot.
outraged by it, it must be you.
Nah,
Well, you know that.
nah.
Fuck's sake.
That mannerism like Kevin Hart.
Actually, I'm sorry, that's really pissing me off.
It's the most butters thing. Bro.
It's smelling pop because a club wants to be a pristine
Yeah,
experience.
yeah.
I want to smell perfume and lollipops.
This man said lollipops. What the
I
fuck?
just want to smell perfume.
Which
and
club are you going
lollipops,
to
man,
smell
and some
lollipops?
sparklers and shit. And smelling pop ruins
It ruins the whole
all
night.
of it.
It ruins the whole
Especially
night.
if you're like in an underground club or something.
Oh,
Oh, no.
You're very aware of
Oxygen,
where you're at.
Yeah.
No.
It's sweat and pop. Oh,
God,
it's disgusting.
Nah.
It's terrible. I'm gonna be in my daughter ear like, go tell dad we want Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Okay, that ain't gonna work with me.
That's funny.
That's
I'm
hilarious.
I'm anti-fast food.
Oh, Daddy, can we go to Chick-fil-A?
Can we please
Mhm.
have Chick-fil-A, please, Daddy? Please, please, Daddy. The fuck, all right.
Go tell
I'm getting a
Daddy
kids
we want
meal in that case.
Chick-fil-A. That's hilarious.
Oh, fuck's sake.
And she's just there
That's-
smiling
that's
in a restaurant.
manipulation.
Yeah,
Mhm.
whatever. My son is gonna be mad when I name him Garrett, in brackets, short for cigarette.
That's wicked.
Wow.
Yeah, that's
Short
wicked.
for cigarette. That's jokes.
That is funny.
My cousin was going back to Niger yesterday. My cousin was going back to Niger yesterday, but his flight was delayed because someone got deported and decided to poo smear all over the plane.
Bro, what
They
kind of
got
stories are
deported,
these?
so they stood up and was like, fuck
Fuck
this.
this.
And just started smearing shit
all over the
everywhere.
plane. Yeah. All over the
I
place.
was like, fuck you, fuck this country, fuck these laws.
Mhm.
Everywhere.
I'm
bro.
not going back.
I mean, you're going back, but you're going out with a.
Tweet. Text me back or I'm not taking my meds. Quote tweet. Kim K checking her phone in the morning.
Yeah, that sounds very likely. That boy Kanye off his rockers. That is wild.
Bro. she's exhausted with him.
Text me back, or I'm not taking my meds.
If it's getting
That's
that
a
far?
threat, James.
Yeah, that's a serious threat. Oh my
Bro.
god.
Oh, it's too funny. She's going through it.
There's
This
a
year.
level of toxicity that women secretly love, but he's way over.
Yeah,
it.
that's not.
There's nothing
yeah.
sexy about what he's doing.
Way
He's just
over.
lost
Yeah.
his mind.
Yeah,
He's
yeah,
literally
yeah,
lost
yeah,
his
yeah.
mind.
We speak about it all the time. He's going through shit.
Yeah, he is.
continuously going through this Donda school he's doing.
Oh, what's that?
You never heard of this Donda school?
Nah, what's
So
the
he's
Donda
got a
Kanye.
school. He's got a school called Donda for
For who?
for
what?
youths, bro.
Just for
It's a
youth?
school.
Is it a music school?
It's
or
a
what?
school, bro.
You
Do we
don't
not
know
have
what?
enough schools, fam?
What are they teaching?
All I know
What
is
country is it? In America?
Of course, it's in America.
Let's not
fam.
open any more schools in America. Let's open. No one wants to go to your Yeezy Donda school.
Fam, Donda school. Yeah,
Mans
he said he wants
do.
to take his kids out of the school they're already at and bring them to Donda.
No one cares what you want to do. Leave your kids. Your kids are at a prestigious private school.
Bro.
Your kids
Right?
are probably at one of the best schools in the country.
in the
Leave
world,
them,
probably.
Leave them
Yeah.
where they're at.
Facts.
Donda school.
Facts.
His kids are fed up.
Mm-hmm.
His kids are fed up.
What's the oldest one called? North. She's pissed off.
Northwest.
Because she's the only one that can actually have proper conversations.
She's like, Dad,
pissed off.
stop.
I'm annoyed now.
Yeah, I'm
Pops,
actually.
that-
It was
I'm-
cute,
I-
but now
I'm
it's
annoyed
it's
now.
fucking annoying. I have
Stop.
to deal with this every day. White lives matter. Did you really
You
need to?
say that.
Did you really need to? I know you're a little
True.
tension whore, but I've got friends.
Got friends
Mhm.
everywhere.
I've
now.
got friends and they've got eyes.
Stop.
Why am I having to defend you in the cafeteria every day?
Yeah, like I just want to learn.
Why do you have to take it there intentionally?
Ah, bro.
You're rich as fuck.
He's ruining life.
Shut
bro.
it up.
Anyway, this is back to back actually. I know niggas be scared to text Kanye back, and nigga posts everything.
Oh my god.
He
Can you imagine
actually
for
He
real?
posts
does.
everything and replies in caps lock. He replies
Oh.
everything in caps lock.
It's actually
He's
mad to
definitely
think
an
that,
annoying
like,
ass
you
friend.
could think that you and him are super cool,
Mhm.
and then the next day
Jersey.
you just see it
You're just
online.
on his page.
You're just on his page, and you're like,
You're probably like the second slide. Oh, for fuck's
yeah,
sake.
why is he baiting me out like
Bro,
this?
he was
Yo.
he was bigging up Diddy the other day, and then he said "fuck you" to him the next day, something like that. I can't keep up with him anymore.
Bro, rags.
Yeah. He a little off his
Some chick
rockers,
tweeted,
as I said.
when he sucks the clit only, oh, you must want a key made. Yeah, boy. Oh, you must want a key made.
Ooh,
Madness.
And they're out there doing crazy
Weird.
things.
that's that sensei.
Oh, indeed.
Jesus.
Told my boyfriend I was out with my mum. He don't know that mum stands for my other man.
That's wicked.
I'm pretty sure you've read that one before.
I haven't. I've read something similar.
Oh, okay, cool.
I've read something very
yeah.
similar. I remember. I can't remember what it is, but I've read something very similar.
My
Wicked.
other man.
Other man. I think
I could
the
never
one-
find that out.
never.
Mhm.
My grandma lies so much talking about she used to babysit Jeffrey Dahmer.
Of course, a black person's grandma would lie like that. Mm-mm.
Yo,
Yo!
that's funny.
You stop
She
the
lies
cap.
so much.
Oh, Jesus,
Nobody
that's actually
babysitted that
hilarious.
nigga. That was the problem.
Oh god.
My husband calls out, "Brace yourself, darling," just before he orgasms. He cannot understand why I never want to fuck him again.
Brace yourself.
Brace yourself, darling.
Earthquake.
I'm coming into land.
Brace yourself.
Coming
You know.
home to
Crash
roost.
landing.
Brace yourself. It's gonna be a rocky nut. It's gonna be a rocky nut. Oh,
Hold on
yuck.
tight.
Oh, yuck.
I want to meet the Tom that got an entire genre of foolery named after him.
Tomfoolery.
Makes sense.
It does. It's stupid. It took a second to sink
Yeah.
in. I was like,
I saw your eyes, bro.
Vaz.
I saw your eyes wandering like that Zach Brother, that meme.
Zach Galifianakis.
Yo.
The
Your
algebra
eyes were
thing. I was
wandering.
just there like, and you have to hold the smile like, yeah.
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 Tom foolery.
Tom-
Okay, yeah.
Named the
yeah.
whole foolery. What?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I'm
Genre.
Don't get in my car telling me how to drive. Sit back and hold on tight.
Facts.
Obviously, a chick wrote that.
Yeah, right.
Facts though.
If the sex come without head, you can keep it. I ordered the motherfucking combo.
Facts.
That's dumb.
Asked him for his height. He's been typing for 2 minutes.
Oh my god.
Nah.
He's been typing
This
for
man
2
don't
minutes.
know. He's
Just
like, yo, should I do
Down.
five-
Bubble
5'11.5"?
down. Oh, he don't know what to do with
Six.
what to say.
point? Yeah.
He's been typing
For
for
2
2
minutes.
minutes. Oh my god.
Peak.
Can you imagine
Very
if the
peak.
nigga seen that tweet?
Next one. Pulled out so far, she started spinning like a Beyblade.
Yo, let it rip.
Right, tweet, quote tweet. Kris Jenner claimed she never knew Bruce was uncomfortable having sex with her and thought he was kidding when he loudly booed her vagina.
Nah, bro.
Boo.
That is so
Yeah.
wicked.
Yuck.
That is so wicked.
Boo.
Who
Rotten
wrote this
Tomatoes.
stuff?
Oh, stop
Get
it.
that away from me. Get that away
That's
from me.
jokes. That's jokes.
Sorry,
That's so
Slippy.
wicked, bro.
Tweet, reply. Wow, just saved my nun. Ain't this... Start again. Wow, just shaved for nothing. Ain't this a bitch? Reply. Come see me. Don't let it go to waste. Reply.
Oh,
Too late.
no.
I glued it back on.
Oh no. She probably clicked his
Don't let it
profile
go to
real quick and she's
waste.
like, yeah,
Oh
no,
my
I'm gluing this
God.
shit back.
I know for a fact there's a certain type of woman that would take up that offer.
Oh,
The
rags.
shaving takes a minute.
It does. Don't let it... That's a
Don't
turn on.
That's a
That's a turn on. Don't let it go
come
to waste.
here. Don't let it go to waste.
Too late. I glued it back on.
If I was the brother that sent that risque reply,
Yeah.
and then she's too late, I
I'd
glued
have
it
blocked
back on.
it. I just blocked it.
I'm deleting tweet.
I'm
Twitter.
blocking.
deleting
I'm
Twitter
blocked.
right now.
blocking.
Blocked,
It's
and I'm deleting
blocked.
Why are you ruining
The
this
whole
flirtation?
thing.
Yeah,
Why
because you
ruining
know it's
the
not gonna go
flirtation?
on.
Fuck's
You could have
sake.
just, you
Took a
know.
lot for me to send that.
Rags.
Fuck.
Alright, last one. I don't know. I feel like Mike Myers would let me walk away and live. My vibe is just different.
Oh, you stupid.